about, things girls like to do.
Yeah.
Shopping, number one.
Uh-oh.
This next thing is not just something that girls do. And I know Toya mentioned it, getting nails done. I hate when I go into a salon and there's a man there and I have to wait. I'm like, get your own place. Go to the barbershop, whatever.
You being because I go get my nails done.
No.
I go by weekly to get my nails
done. Like how they have ones in South Jersey. Like it was just a gentleman's type place salon where they could go get their manicures, pedicures. Stay out of the places the women go to, because I don't like to wait.
You guys
I got laughed that way.
Okay.
You're going to the bar. Do you guys go?
Y'all have your little man cave. We need to have our cave.
What's the name of your shop, by the way? What's the name of your shop? I'm gonna show up.
Hey, Coach D. Now somebody talk about man cave and all that.
Well, that's where you need to stay. Paint your toes in there. Put it in the water over there. Don't come to our shop.
Do a bias training for y'all?
It seems so.
In our chair, doing the chair. The first thing we're gonna do, punches at the screen. Come on, just punch at the screen. Go right at the screen. There you go. I didn't say at the side of the screen. I said at the screen, right there. Some of y'all doing this. That's not what I'm saying. Do right there. Okay, we'll do this for a minute. Look at my clock. Punch. All right. Now, act like you're gonna hit somebody in the chin and get them uppercuts. Ready? Uppercut them. Come on, somebody's not doing it. Well, you're not doing it. Get in here. All right. There you go. I'll see you down there, Sapphire. Get on in here. All right. Now, give him a little elbow. Come on. You're doing a little Zumba. See, what I'm doing is some chair Zumba with you. All right, come on, up there. As much as we love our clients, I know you all love your clients. I can tell by the smiles on your faces. They're just the nicest, kindest people. They come in and smile at you every day. I care a lot about you. I care about the clients, but I care about you. And the reason why is, and this is why I chose to do this work, and my team and I with the professionals in the industry, because you're the ones who make this industry work. You're the ones that make it work. Okay. And so your well-being, your health, your vitality is critical to a lot of people who are walking into your facilities, to your job centers, to your agencies every day with the hopes of finding employment or going back to school, getting adult GED. There's a variety of services that Workforce offers. And so your well-being is important. So we have beepers, you beep and go to the phone booth. I'm giving my age away big time, right? So there's a little bit more trauma today. And you hear a lot about trauma-informed care. We do a lot of focus on that as well. And self-care and trauma-informed care, I think, go hand in hand. Because I think the more we have self-care, the less we have trauma. I really do. Self-care helps to decrease the effects of trauma. So we need to be intentional.
We may or may not have been group number 2. So since no one spoke up, I'll assume that we were group number 2. So the real group number 2, please don't get upset. In my group, it was great to hear some common themes. Some folks appreciated reading. Walking was a common theme, and something that you appreciate more since many people are working remotely, right? Mm-hmm. Photography I thought was a real unique method for self-care, and I even heard family mentioned as well. So
and some of these essential. There's several categories of self-care, and we're going to talk about those. And so you're right, Jana. But speaking of, I read a lot of information. It's okay to be okay. Yep. Yeah. And so you got things that are out there that have, the main thing is whatever floats your boat, just, enjoy the experience. So let's look at some of these essential categories. All right. So the first one is sleep. All right. Now in the chat feature, we're gonna have a little fun with this one. Just type somebody's name and say this, say this to them, because it's just out of fun. Go to bed when it's time to go to bed. Tell them that. Type that in the chat feature. Go to bed when it's time to go to bed. We're having fun with this, but guess what? You got to go to bed. That's right. There you go. Wilder said, I needed to hear that. Because we do. We don't go to bed anymore. We go lay in our bed, and what do we have? We have this right here. We're scrolling, taking a look at stuff. What's happening on Facebook? What's going on? Let me put my earbuds in. We're going to watch some Netflix. You in bed. Listen, I'm gonna give you a really, this is gonna be such a surprise to so many of you. Seriously, I'm guilty. Many people are guilty of this. You're not the only one. All right. There's a reason why it's called the bedroom.